So all that kit that you meticulously prepared, is it effective? Is it helping out?
Oh yeah. Yeah, the kit's great.
To what degree is that making your role more effective there?
A lot, actually. Little things like, I've been issued a big-ass flak jacket a la Afghanistan with ballistic plates. That and my helmet weigh 12 kilograms. When I fly from Juba to Malakal, or when I fly from Malakal to somewhere else, I'm allowed one check-on of 20 kilograms and a carry-on bag of 5. Well, when 12 kilograms of my checked-in baggage is a helmet and flak jacket, which takes a long time to put on, and which I'm probably not wearing to a meeting with a warlord, it stays in the helicopter, so it's useless. I've been asking for a plate carrier, which is light, and Quentin actually loaned me one, but it doesn't have all the shrapnel protection stuff. But what it does is your plate on the front and the back will cover you, which means I can run in this and it's significantly lighter. But the best part is it's discreet, so I can stick it in my big backpack, even with my helmet, or maybe even without my helmet, and I can carry that into a meeting. So if things go really, really bad, at least it's there and I can put it on. Not like I have to go 300 meters to a helicopter, which may or may not take off without me. Just saying, that's a force protection thing. That's one of the things that needs to improve. One of the things that's really good is the hybrid shirts guys wore in Afghanistan that have the sleeves, but it's a really nice, stretchy, wick-away material that you're supposed to wear your heavy flak jacket over. I wear that all the time. It's awesome because we're dealing with heat in the high 30s, not including the humidex, pretty much daily. So if you're patrolling all day or you're sitting under a tree with a general for 3 or 4 hours, that is great because you're not, I mean, you're sweating and you're really hot, but it's just that, the fact that the sweat's wicking away. And so I am really prone to like prickly rash for heat. Don't get that.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's really, really good. But a lot of the stuff I bought myself. So my boots are Blackhawk. And it's not a shameless plug for any company, but there's a lot of stuff I simply will not wear. That's the issue. I won't trust the Army to put anything on my feet because it's uniformly crap. And just the way my feet are. Some people love the stuff. My socks are Under Armour or Fox River, wick-away material. My underwear tends to be, Under Armour is ideal, but it's civilian bought boxers because bugs crawl up your legs, and boxers that are fairly tight around the thighs are fairly important. This is a voice of experience speaking. It's creepy otherwise. You know, my belt is Blackhawk. I carry a Garmin GPS. I've got a whole bunch of other stuff. My sunglasses are Oakley's, not the issues. It just goes on. But yeah, the equipment I did bring was the right equipment for the most part. The only thing I'd change would be the flak jacket.